Right, so we're going to have a go at drawing today is the hairdryer. So it's quite a bit of complexity in this one, but we'll give it a go, see how things go. So what I'm going to do is I'll just delete the whole thing for a start. You guys will be starting up a new drawing with metric millimeters. So first thing we need to do is draw up a circle. So I'll draw up a circle down there, and we want to force size to 45. From there, once we force it to 45, we're going to extrude and we're going to go 110 up. So 110 there. From there, I'm going to zoom in. I'm just going to use the tape measure tool. Try and find that center point there. There we go, center point, that'll do. So line across there, and I'll pop one across there as well. And that'll just give us a bit of a target in the middle to aim for. Oops, just undo that one. So from there, we're going to actually draw up the top now. So I'll just pan out there. You can right click to get the pan tool a bit quicker. And the next thing we're going to do is draw a circle on top. And that circle is going to be 25. And then we're going to extrude that up, and this will help us create the taper at the front of the hairdryer. So we're going to go up 60. Now from there, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to use the tape measure tool. I'm going to snap to the blue line there. I'm going to put a guideline running up there so I can run a line across. From there, I'll use the draw tool. I'm going to draw from the end point there. It hasn't quite snapped onto that one. Just redo that line. Things obviously don't always go to plan on this, but there we go. So it's snapped on there. So this should enable me to then draw the pencil line up nice and neatly. From there, I'm going to come up to the top, intersection, and then I'm going to go end of line. Down to the end of line. That should give us a solid shape. Just get rid of those extra guidelines now, because we're probably not going to need them. From there, pan it around a bit. We're going to use the follow me tool. So down here we've got follow me tool. That shape should be able to grab now because it's a solid boundary. Just follow it all the way around, and that's going to create the end of the hairdryer. Next thing we're going to look at doing, again I think I'll just use the tape measure tool. I'm just going to create an indentation at the front. So if I click on one of the edges, just wait for it to snap onto something, that'll do. There we go. So snap on there. I'm going to pop another circle on. On line, I probably want to put another line on there. So what I'm going to do is just make sure we're running parallel. I'm going to click on the red line there, come up and I'll find the intersection on here. There we go, intersection. So I've definitely got the center of that. Pop a circle on the top, and then we'll do this one 20 wide. I'm just going to drop that one down 6. So that's given us the top up there. What I might do just for later on in a minute is add an additional couple of lines, but we'll go and work on the bottom of the shape for us as the next part that we'll look at. So we're going to rotate round underneath. Circle tool again. Draw out a shape, and this one's going to be 30. It's not behaving itself. 30, enter, and we're going to then extrude it 15. Now from there, again, we're just going to create a little guideline. So I'll click on there, and I'll come across to here, showing it over there, the intersection, and then hopefully we should be able to draw line up to there, line out. I think grabbed what I wanted it to do. And point to edge there, and then to there, and then we'll rotate round. Conflated at the end where it's, there we go, let's grab what I wanted it to eventually. So that is the top of the hairdryer done. What I might do, as I said, is I might just pop a guideline on here just at this point. So bob it on the red side, I think. So look at where it goes through there, and I'm going to come along here. About 10 should do. We'll go 15. There we go. It's just going to give us a guide point. Now from there, this is where it could go a little bit wrong. Next thing I'm going to do is, well, the next bit after this. Next bit I'm going to do is select the whole shape. And I'm going to turn it by clicking right click and put make component. I'll call it the head. And then I'm going to want, in the move tool we've got rotate. So if I come to the green axis here, and if I keep my finger on the icon, so I've clicked on it there on the green axis, and I've rotated it round so the tool is it has gone green. I'm going to come over to the side here. I'm just going to click and it'll allow me to rotate the item around the part. I'm going to force this to 90 degrees. There we go. So the item there has been rotated 90 degrees through the arc, and then I'm going to move it up. Find the move tool, sorry, move tool's there, and just pop it out the way for now. Just carry on sliding that up. So that's up out of the way.